So Valentine's Day is coming up and you're single. What the hell do you do if you're by yourself? Well, I got some ideas for you coming up. What's up guys, if you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell while I go take a nap. Celebrate the feeling of being loved. You got friends, you got family, you got co-workers, classmates that love you. And if you don't have any of that, just know that I love you. I don't care if we never met. You watching this video make me want to cry. I love you. Binge watch your favorite content online. If you're into anime, sitcoms, or even movies that have multiple parts in them, you can set the date to watch as much as you can. Like, yo, all you gotta do is just grab some snacks, press play, and enjoy. That's it. Simple. Well, you only need to once to press play. You get what I'm saying? You can eat. Okay, now listen. Do you guys know that on Valentine's Day, they have special promos and discounts for couple meals? Yo, think about it. You go to these places, you're getting 2 meals for the price of 1. Nobody says you gotta eat it out all in one day. You can just save some for the rest of, like, for another time. Yo, breakfast, lunch, dinner, ice cream. Bruh. I want some of it. I want all. Just give it to me. Do something nice for a stranger. Valentine's Day isn't only for people who are in a relationship. Because it's a love day, people are expecting certain things from their partner. But can you imagine if you walk outside and you hold the door for someone, or even help pick up something that someone dropped off the floor? Those random acts of kindness, those are the ones that are very unexpected, that they would ever expect it. That doesn't make any sense. Those are the ones that are truly unexpected, and they would really appreciate and value that. And it makes you feel good because you did something good to someone else. Shit, you can even walk an old lady across the street. You know, I did that once. I actually walked an old lady across the street, and a girl saw me and she was like, "That was the sweetest thing I've ever seen." And I was like, "Yeah, you know, it's what I do." What's your number? But it sounds very cliche, but self-care. If you're by yourself on Valentine's Day, self-care is the way to go. You can go to the spa. You can go to like one of those massage places and get a nice deep tissue, you know, massage. You know what I'm saying? You know, that nice little ooh. Sorry. You can go get a haircut. You can even go to like Walmart or Walgreens or any of the like local pharmacies and get like self-care products. You've been working so hard, damn it. You gotta treat yourself with something nice. Bonus tip, you can sleep. Look, Valentine's Day is only for 24 hours. If you really can't stomach being single, or you don't like Valentine's Day, sleep throughout the whole friggin' day. Shit, you know how amazing you'll feel to sleep all day and then the next day wake up feeling refreshed like a motherfucker? Speaking of which, I gotta go take a nap. Oh my god. Oh shit. Whoa. Yo, this is the type of shit. Oh, I'm John Wick in this bitch. Now I gotta make up the bed again. Ugh. Real quick, guys. Not to flex, but this is my view right now. It's pretty freaking stoked. It's stoked.